MC and welcome to this gorgeous combo of Toyota Chaser JZX100. We have my example next to the previous owner of this car with this wide body red 500 horsepower Toyota Chaser that's currently for sale. We are at the Midnight Club and Tanoshi event and about to convoy down with all of these cars to Cobham Services for a nighttime car meet. So we've got the BMWs, we've got many German whips around, as well as the Evo RX-7 FN2 and a Toyota Supra as the Morris Minor starts revving to warm itself up. But in front we have this pair of 350Zs and a purple R33 Skyline. In fact, thinking about it, there's quite a lot of purple at this meet today. But we've got a few cars starting up to warm themselves up for the convoy to Cobham Services, so I shall do the same. Some of the cars can't be bothered to wait for the convoy, so they're leaving a bit early into something I. And next the RX-7 and the Supra. Motor 911 Turbo. 730 brake. I'm nose to nose with the red Chaser. I want to follow the Chaser so we can hear it and watch it as it leaves. We've got an R33 behind me and the Lexus IS200 leading the way with the Celica as well. I know what's going to happen. He's going to flick up a stone from the entrance. It's going right onto my car and I'm going to hate it.
Tipex will do.
Yeah. Okay, Chaser's in convoy. Can I keep behind the Chaser? I think I can. Oh, he's sending it. Still sending it. I'm going to stay back. I don't want stone chips. Chaser's in convoy. Believe how cold it is today, because look, a massive and here, ladies and gentlemen, is where we hosted two of the drive-by car shows outside Denby's wine estate. So I'd situate myself at this roundabout and capture cars flying by, just like what we are doing now, or trying to do. Now arrived at Cobham Services for the usual shenanigans of an evening car meet. The sun is just setting, so everything's looking beautiful, and I'm a few cars behind the red Chaser. But I've decided to park in the electricity bays. The Chaser is still trying to find a space as well. It will be parked opposite mine. Oh, look at the combo, yes! Very good. Chaser, Chaser, Chaser. We're quite early, so cars are still yet to arrive, but it was quite fun convoying with another Chaser, in particular one with 500 horsepower versus my little bit over 300. We've got an M1 something I revving. Oh, he stopped. Okay, we've got a Polo revving, and everyone else is now revving. Yep. Here's a Z and the A35 AMG Bumblebee. TT. And whilst we're in these electric bays, we're actually seeing an insight into the future. Electric Fiat 500s, electric Vauxhall, electric BMW iX, all can't get any bays because they're taken up by a white Toyota Chaser. And we're at the Arrivals Lounge, and the next car to arrive behind the MX-5 in the 3 Series is another white Toyota Chaser. This one bringing neons back. That's what I'm lacking. Next to arrive, we have the very dangerous Mustang, the slightly supercharged, the very noisy Mini, wow! And an EP3 and a Supra and another Supra. But I've just noticed another car to go past the electric bays, which are now slightly more free for the 500e, which is nowhere to be seen. We have the Fiesta Ute. We saw this in the summer and I loved it. There it is. It's clean-ish, according to its windscreen sticker, parking next to the red Chaser opposite mine, and from a Fiesta Ute to a Transporter Ute. Wow! But whilst filming the arrivals, all I could hear in the background was a Rotary, a 1JZ, and probably a Civic revving, so I'm going to go over to the Revolutions. That sounds like a car without a manifold. Yeah. No, it's a GS300. Yeah, the noises are certainly coming from the front of the car. It's got a leak. Everyone's filming the back. Nothing's going to come from the back. It's all from the front. I'm going to see what was the JZ noises. There's the Rotary. Also, check out the crown on the crown. They got a crown situated on the exhaust of the crown. But as the MX-5 rolls by, there seems to be the turn of the M1 something like that. That was clutch, I'm afraid, sir. And I've just heard the boosted sound of a Noble M12 GTO arrive, so I'm going to go down to capture that as well. Noble M12. And now we've got a twin-turbo Porsche 911 revving just next to it. Oh look! Another white chaser! Yes! Passing by mine with Revolution. Oh my god! Mine doesn't do that. Oh! He set my alarm off! That's friendly fire! It's really starting to pick up here. Just had an R33, another R33 turn up. This one a GTR, and I've just seen Chloe arrive with her MX-5 and immediately disappeared. So instead I shall film this Subaru leave until Chloe reappears in the MX-5. There's something white over there. That's not her. Subaru departing early. I'm looking for a white MX-5 with a suspiciously silver hardtop from a Mark II. There's a white Fiat 124, there's a white Mark II MX-5, there's a suspiciously silver Mark I MX-5, but still no sign of Chloe's MX-5. I have to be careful, the Mustang is leaving. We are all Also, I found Chloe, but not her car, it's somewhere. Chloe's arrived at just the right time to watch these do their thing. Chloe's favourite thing in the world. She loves it. The Me2 shooting flames. Anyway, let's leave them to it. Oh, we got super revs now. But after all the pops, bangs and noises, we've headed to the exit to film some departures to conclude the video with. Yeah, he's still living, even now. He's going to drive all the way home like that. Next up, GT86, Lexus IS as well, eager to leave. A Rocket Bunny front end on the 350Z. The audible sound of stability control. That was something. But next we have a chaser bringing Neil's back. My wet dream. There it goes. Yes, I know I need neons. The woes of traction control. We have the battle of the hot hatch. FK8. Ooh, versus the GR Yaris. And next to leave is the slow and sensible R33. Obviously in a rush, as is his mate in the Golf. MX-5s have comedy horns, but they're not going to blare them because they're scared. So in case, oh, there they go. Yeah. An attempt was made. You happy?
Yeah.
And next up we have the TRD White Toyota Chaser, letting the people cross like a good little boy. Let's see how good he will be as he leaves. This is the full TRD Toyota Chaser. He did send it. He did. I guess. Oh, the Ute. There he goes. Oh, it's the manifolds. There he goes. Oh, bit of, understeer. Oh, there we go.
Oh, how do you...
Open the armrest. For you.
Oh my god!
A fridge.
It's a fridge!
Oops, I dropped
Thank
it.
you very much. How did you find it? Wow! Look,
It's got the dots.
It's even got your interior.
no way. The dots on the seats,
Yeah.
but I can't quite see.
On the bottom of the seats.
But I'm going to head off after this meet with Midnight Club and Tanoshi events. The Chaser's warming up. We've got a Supra in front of me with a carbon bonnet looking sexy. There's also a Polestar behind me parking in the wrong space for the electric charging, trying to get as close to it as possible so it can reach instead of going to the space that's meant for it. So I hope you enjoyed that video. There were 6 chases in total today. 2 were in the previous video from today and then 4 in this one, including mine. So Adam Seafest is where this car will be, as well as my others and hundreds of other cars. All details and tickets can be found in the link below. It's Bank Holiday Monday, the 1st of May. Look forward to seeing you all there. So follow me on Instagram for the updates, highlights and pictures at these meets that I go to. But for now, thanks for watching.